If you want to convert your HEIF photos into JPEG photos, so in this video I will show you how you can do this on your iPhone. Now, first of all, let's capture a photo in the HEIF format. Let's open the camera app. As you can see, the format is on HEIF. Now let's capture a photo. For an example, I will capture a photo of this car. Just like that. Now, as you can see, if I go to the home screen and if I open the Photos app, now let's go to the info section. As you can see, this photo is in the HEIF format. And if you want to convert this photo into JPEG, just follow the next steps. First of all, just tap on the share button on your selected photo and select copy photo. After you copy the photo, then go to your home screen and open the Files app. In the Files app, just paste the photo wherever you like. Just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen and select Paste. As you can see, this is the photo which I have copied. After you create a copy of the photo in the Files app, just tap on the photo, then tap on the drop-down arrow over here and select Export. And from here, under the Format section, just select JPEG. Then tap on Done. Now just select where you want to save this photo. For an example, I will save it in the Download section. Then tap on Save. And once you do that, you will convert the selected photo into JPEG format. Now let's go to the home screen and open the Files app. Now let's open the Downloads folder. And as you can see, this is the photo which we have converted its format. As you can see, the photo has been saved as a JPEG file. Now if you want to copy the selected photo into the Photos app, just go back and tap and hold on the photo which you want to copy. Now just drag the photo. Now at the bottom of the screen, just swipe to the right or to the left side and open the Photos app. As you can see, this is the Photos app. Now just lift your finger off the photo. And once you do that, you will create a copy of the selected photo into the Photos app. Just like that. Now let's open the info section. As you can see, the photo has been converted into JPEG format. And let's check the original photo. As you can see, this is the original photo which is in the HEIF format. And this is the photo which we have converted its format. Just like that. And this is how you can convert HEIF photos into JPEG format on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.